Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So the title of this video is probably going to sort of pretty much explain what it's all about anyway, but I thought it's good to sort of have an example that sort of illustrates the point. So I needed one of these. Happens to be a side light for a BMW Z3. So I went online on eBay, and I was a bit surprised at sort of how much they seem to be selling for. For example, there's this one here, £10, which would be all right, but it's actually got a bit broken out of it. Yeah. Scroll down a bit further. There's one for £22 there, plus another £6 for posting, for 28. There's one there for 30 plus another £2.75 for posting, so nearly £33. And this thing is quite a fairly sort of simple little part, as you can see. I mean, I know car parts are expensive, but they're not that expensive. So I thought to myself, I wonder how much it is actually from the dealership. And I can tell you that it was actually not that expensive, and in fact cheaper than that price for a brand new one from the dealership. Let me show you. Here's the receipt. So BMW service, Dick Lovett, Bristol. That's the main dealership here that serves Bristol here. There's the part number, and that's what I paid for it. £26.64 plus the VAT comes to £31.97. So actually cheaper than that price there for that second-hand one. And not more important than the saving really for me is the fact that you can just go in, pick it up. If there's any issues with it, you don't have to worry about it posting it back, etc. You can just take it back. And yeah, in this case, it was definitely the way to go, rather than messing around getting a second-hand one online. So yeah, so just thought I'd make this quick little video just to illustrate the point really. When you're shopping for car parts, online second-hand is not always the cheapest way to go. I mean, it obviously is usually, but I think it's easy to make the mistake that just because something's selling on a site like eBay, just because they're on there for a certain price level, that it must be more expensive than that at the main dealer. So sometimes if your gut feeling tells you, well, it's only a fairly simple little part, why they're selling for those kind of monies, it's well worth picking up the telephone and making that call and seeing how much they are at the main dealer, because sometimes they can be about the same money or even cheaper. And in fact, in this case, it was only a little bit cheaper, in fairness. But in the past, there have actually been occasions where I have found parts actually substantially cheaper at the main dealer. So yeah, if your gut feeling tells you this part seems to be selling for a lot online, give the main dealer a call and see how much they charge. Okay, guys. So yeah, not going to make the video any longer than that. I hope it might help you next time you're shopping for a car part. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.